Here, another eBay package. I'm unboxing now. Got the shipping label up, so let's move on. Hopefully, I can get this off. So many toes. My God. Just got another Cync smart plug. This one's gonna be for my QC amp. I don't have to power it on and off. Like by plugging in, unplugging in stuff. Came in good condition. Yep, that's it. Think it will work. Sorry, my camera's out of fucking focus.